Hello class, Sir Lawrence here. So in this video class, I will not discuss about the Roman civilization's history and the Roman Empire itself, but I will discuss about the major contributions of the Roman civilization to their society and to the modern world. Like Egypt and Greek civilization class, Roman civilization has many major contributions to our modern world today. Okay, so first we have language and literature. Latin. So Latin is an early Roman language that influenced the development of other languages. Namely, we have Spanish, French, Romanian, and Italian. Next, we have Virgil. Now, Virgil class was the writer of the epic poem Aeneid. Now, Aeneid tells us about the legendary story of Aeneas, a Trojan who traveled to Italy where he became the ancestor of the Romans. Next we have Cicero. Cicero class was a famous Roman lawyer, writer, and orator. Now he is famous for his orations on politics and to their society. Next we have Ovid. Now he was known for his work Metamorphoses, a collection of mythological and legendary stories. Okay, so from the creation of the universe to the death of Caesar. Next, we have the architecture. Now, it is believed blessed that the Romans were the first to effectively harness their power in the construction of bridges, monuments, and buildings. First example of their architecture class was the Colosseum. Now, the Colosseum class was the emperor's gift to the Romans. It is the symbol of power and majesty of the emperor. It is used for their games, hosted dramas, reenactments, and public executions. Today, it symbolizes the power, genius, and brutality of the Roman Empire. Second, we have the Circus Maximus. Now, this was built for their chariot races. It is important to the Romans because it was a time to honor their god Jupiter. Another example is the Pantheon. Now, the Pantheon class was built and used by the Romans to honor the 12 main gods. Next, we have the aqueduct. Now, this was important to the Romans during their time because it liberated the Roman cities from a reliance on nearby water supplies and proved priceless, promoting public health and sanitation. Next, we have the public baths. Now, the public baths class was a huge bath complex, which is a place for relaxation, reading, and socialization. Another example is the arch. Now, the arch class is very important to the Romans, especially during the ancient times, because the indigenous design of the arch allowed the weight of buildings to be evenly distributed along the various supports, preventing massive Roman structures like the Colosseum. Next, we have the newspaper. Now, the Romans were known to contribute the public discourse through the use of official texts detailing military, legal, and civil issues. Now, these were written on metal or stone during the ancient times. Next is the bound books. Now, the bound books class is a stack of bound pages that is recognized as the earliest incarnation of the book. Now, according to the historians, Julius Caesar created an early version of a codex by stacking pages to form a primitive notebook. Early Christians adopted this technology as well, and using it extensively to produce copies of their Bible.